Today we're going to Animal Kingdom. I'm so excited. So we're doing that thing where we go to the most popular rides first, and they actually have a new ride. It's like the Soarin' in Epcot, but it's like Avatar themed, so we're gonna try that one first because my mom looked online and it's really popular.
Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the feeling.
The line is so long already. It goes all the way there, and it started over there. The line is way too long, like probably a 3-hour wait. The wait time for Navy River Journey is 5 minutes, so we actually decided to do that one. It's like a water ride. That ride we just went on, I tried to film, but it was super dark. It was new, so that was actually kind of cool. And now we're finally going to Cali River Rapids. Bless you. The wait time is 5 minutes, so hopefully we can do this one twice. Like one of my favorites after Mount Everest.
Like water.
Yeah. So we're on these rafts, going backwards. So are my siblings. Okay, we're gonna get wet. Oh. Guys, they let us go one more time, so everyone's staying on. We're just gonna get more wet. That was so fun though. We're all friends now on our little boat. We just got off Cali River Rapids twice, and that was like the best time. Our whole raft was so nice.
Yeah,
and we started
having full-on conversations.
We learned where everyone was from, like Jacksonville, Florida, South Carolina, and North Dakota, which I thought like everyone comes here from everywhere just to celebrate Disney. I don't know, it's really cool. And now we have a fast pass to the safari, and it's actually live animals this time, not fake ones. Also, this guy on our raft actually worked for Disney, so he was telling us kind of like behind the scenes, like he was saying how he had all these benefits and free passes. We're on the safari right now, you can probably hear it, and there's a rhino to my left. I'll try and get it on camera.
The same substance that your hair and your through the trees. These on the right hand, they only have again 5,000. Jack anything from the Portland sign. The total, they can reach a height of 8 feet and say that it's a male.
Oh my god, these are white rhinos.
But it will be the lioness, and we can tell that because of their nose.
That safari was amazing. We saw pretty much every animal except like the first one, but other than that.
Make some room for your family and friends.
We're doing the safari a second time. Hopefully you can see different things than we did last time.
Left hand side, you can see a whole group of those really long tongues. About 22 months. Yeah, through their diets. Some zebras have actually been thought to repel away.
The gorillas were so cool. They were sleeping and just like doing what humans would do. It was funny. This is a bird show, and then we're also eating lunch at the same time.
There he goes.
We're waiting in line for the bug show, 3D show, and it's raining, so we all have like little things to cover us. We look ridiculous, but at least we're not going to be wet when we go in the theater. It looks like an egg. But this show is a 3D bug movie, and it's really cool because I remember from last time. Why aren't you wearing your poncho?
Yeah, we're
You can also like feel like a bee sting behind your back or something like that.
Life is a movie.
We're on a mini little-ish roller coaster. I don't know if you would call this a roller coaster. It looks like this. There's like the nose off coming. That was actually so much fun.
Excellent.
I liked it. Yeah, I didn't think I thought it'd be like super short, but it started raining again, and now we're at the Finding Nemo the musical. And from last time, I remember it was really good.
I feel better if I did.
pet store.
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish Mart. Fish, he's going to swim.
Just keep swimming.
I'm still really excited excited for the Mount Everest ride, but we haven't gone on. My brother and I want to go like more than once, obviously, because it's like the best ride ever. But we have fast passes later, so I think we're waiting till then. But right now we're just waiting for the next Lion King show, which is supposed to be, I think, at 4. I'm super sweaty, but the Lion King is actually really good. I'm pretty sure there's like circus and acrobat. We're finally in the theater to see Lion King, and we have beautiful seats. Like, this will be the stage, and we're like the 3rd row. It's raining again. If you couldn't tell, it rains every 10 minutes. But the Lion King was like, I don't even know, it ended early, and they're like, due to unforeseen circumstances, we're ending it early, so it's supposed to be till 4:30. I looked like a mushroom. It's okay, we all do. We have our fast passes for Mount Everest right now.
Temporarily closed.
But it's temporarily closed because of this rain, and that was like my favorite ride. Mount Everest is right in front of us.
Real Mount Everest.
Not the real Mount Everest, the ride. I'm so excited. I'll try and get on camera. This is it. You can kind of see where you go down. Right over there, and where you go up.
Touch points, please use both of them. Have your cards or magic.
We're finally going on my favorite ride, Mount Everest, and there was like a rain delay or whatever, but now it's back on, and we have a fast pass for it. Oh wow, it's already right here. We're on Mount Everest. This is gonna go backwards after.
Oh, it's the line.
It's broken. That was the best ride. I'm pretty sure I covered my my thumb on the camera on all the like going down parts. My brother and I are gonna go again because my sister and my mom's fast passes they're not using, so we're just gonna use them. Okay, so we're doing it twice, and also I just found out there's a single rider entrance, and the wait time for it is like 20 minutes. So my brother and I are gonna go to the single rider entrance, and you literally just come right here after, so we can do it like a bunch of other times. Oh my god, wow! On the little like mini roller coaster ride again. We decided to go just because it has like a small wait. It's this one, but it's not moving right now. Me and my siblings, there we're going. This is like, I don't know if you can see this, but that's where we go. Oh, that's where we go down. This one has the sharpest turns ever. Like, it actually hurts. Like, it spins the whole thing. This is my 3rd time doing Mount Everest today. Oh my god! That was so much fun. The girl who was sitting beside me, because I went to single rider, was just like, was yelling. She was so fun. But now my brother and I are joining my parents and my sister with a map. I'm not super good at reading maps, but they're in line for the Avatar ride. Good, so it's like the Soarin' ride, so we're gonna quickly go to that. We're still waiting for the Avatar ride. That's like the longest wait.
You could have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back.
This is so intense. We're like on bikes. like you probably can't see anything, but I'm like strapped in the back and the front. It's kind of like a bike, and we got 3D glasses. So there's more waiting. We still haven't like actually gone on. Like my avatar, probably can't see. And then like my face. Whoa. We're on it. Ever. It was like soaring. It looked like we were in real life. It all looked like real life, like I was parasailing or something. It was so cool. This next ride we're going to, it's like 8 o'clock by the way, and I'm starving, but it's the dinosaur ride, and I was scared of that ride last time we went. I was scared because there was a drop. Now I actually enjoy drops.
the drop.
I just went on the dinosaur ride. I couldn't film anything though because it was mostly like really dark and really bouncy and stuff and shaky. But it's 9 o'clock and we still haven't eaten supper, and I'm so hungry. There's a new night show at Animal Kingdom, so I think we're gonna go to that like really early so we get good seats. So right now we're at the night show, and this is what it looks like right now. There's people all around, and then I'm guessing the show's gonna be on water. And we haven't eaten supper, so this is what I'm having right now.
We most graciously welcome you to a timeless celebration.
After the show, and we decided to do the Avatar ride one more time, even though the wait is 85 minutes. That's like the shortest wait so far, so we're waiting. The lines are super long, but at least we're like talking and stuff. But that's probably gonna be the last ride of the night. We're still waiting. Guys, we're all and this is the last line up though. Yes. Yes. I was sitting like on this wall. Yes. Oh.
Put on your flight visors. For your safety throughout this entire experience.
That was a fail. Okay, bye. I need to put my phone away. We're on these like bike thingies. Okay, bye. That was the best ride ever, and the flash is blinding me. But I'm gonna end my vlog here because we're just going home now. Best ride in like the whole Disney World. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for my next vlog. Bye.